Welcome back to another edition of the CRMK Ranch. Well, what we're doing today is cleaning out the sheep run, which has got about 3 months worth of buildup of bedding material, which is basically feed that they've wasted. You'll see in one of these shots here that we've got this feeder in between the two pens where we fill it up with hay or peanut hay every night, twice a day. And the sheep and the goats, they go through it and they pick out the peanut hay because they really like the peanut hay. There you get a little shot of the feeder bunk. Well, what they don't like ends up on the ground through those slats. And when it goes on the ground, they kind of kick it around and spread it around, and then that becomes their bedding. Well, as you can see, the price of hay, that gets kind of expensive. So what we're doing here is we're scooping it out, taking it down to the horse pasture where we got a big manure pile going. We'll mix it up with their manure. We flip that from time to time and add to it, take from it, make good dirt from it. I'm just dumping it out. Sad part is you can see there we just planted some new grass and it's starting to come in. So we're trying to tread very lightly on those areas. There's Hercules, one of our best bucks. Bottle fed, super nice and friendly. Not a mean streak in him. So this grapple attachment that we got is really, really invaluable when it comes to doing this kind of work, because if you get a pitchfork in there and you try to pick this stuff up, it's 6 inches thick, it's matted together, it's wet, it stinks, and you could never do this job as quickly as we're doing it here without this tool. So this day was started off really nice and sunny, as you can see there, but there's some clouds in the background, and you're going to see what happens in a few minutes. We got us a nice manure pile down there going. We add to it, take from it, turn it over from time to time. A little tight turning down there. It's not with the rake on the back of the tractor. It takes a steady hand and calm nerves to turn around in that little driveway. Then you got to get in here and turn around without hitting anything.
Alright, the rest is done by hand with a pitchfork. Alright, just getting the tornado sirens. That kind of makes the hair on the back of your neck stand up. I gotta check the radar real quick.